In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track employee time off using Google Sheets. This is a straightforward process that allows you to efficiently manage and monitor employee paid time off, or PTO. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to open a new Google Sheets document. Once you've got that up, go ahead and look for cell C3 in your spreadsheet. This is where we'll input a very important formula. Now, when you're at cell C3, you're going to type in the following formula. Eq County FS, September, B3, AE3, Y, plus County FS, September, B3, AE3, H. This formula is designed to help you count the number of occurrences where an employee has taken time off. We've used two criteria here, Y and H, which are used to denote different types of employee PTO. After you've entered the formula, press the Enter key. This is a crucial step as it will activate your formula, and you should start seeing results in cell C3 itself. What's wonderful about Google Sheets is how we can easily replicate this formula across multiple cells. This way, you don't need to manually update every individual cell. You can utilize the autofill function to drag this formula down and apply it to other cells in the column, thereby extending the same tracking mechanism to other employees or multiple time periods. Now, let's switch our focus over to the particular month you are analyzing. In this instance, we'll click on the September Sheet tab. Here, you will input the data regarding employee time off. Each time an employee takes time off, mark it in the appropriate day cell using Y for yes or H for holiday, or whatever differentiator suits your tracking needs. With your data correctly entered into the monthly tab, return to the main overview, often referred to as the master sheet. This sheet should now display an overall summary of each employee's time off through the formula you set earlier. Here, you can have an overview of each month and track patterns or trends across your organization, enabling more strategic planning and management. In essence, using Google Sheets for tracking employee PTO is not only efficient, but also provides a dynamic way to analyze time off data. This method allows for flexibility in notation, adaptability across various months or data sets, and can easily be expanded or integrated with other functions within Google Sheets. Don't forget to save your work frequently to ensure you don't lose any valuable data input. With this method, you can maintain a comprehensive and up-to-date record of PTO for your employees, and you'll be equipped to manage this aspect of HR with ease. So now you're all set to streamline how PTO is tracked in your organization using Google Sheets. Happy sheet tracking!